Probably the number one question I'm asked on my Jet 1632 drum sander, is it hard to change the sandpaper? No, it's simple and just takes a minute or two. I'll show you how. So if your sandpaper looks like this, it is definitely time to change that out for a fresh roll. So with the machine unplugged, just pinch the clips and you can pull the end of the sandpaper roll right out and just pull it right off. And just one more clip on the far side. Just pinch the clip and slide the paper in until it roughly aligns with the little tick mark on that aluminum drum. Align the sandpaper with the left edge of the drum and just start rolling that on. And you'll see as that comes around, you want to just be very close to the first part of the roll without overlapping it, and just continue rolling that on. A slight gap is okay, you just don't want any overlaps. And at the other side, just pinch the clip and insert it fully, and the spring of the clip will let that draw down and apply a little bit of tension to the sandpaper. Scoot that over to maintain a slight gap, and just like that, everything's pre-tensioned and ready to test. Close up that lid and lock it in place. And what I like to do is plug the machine back in and just fire up the drum. Let it run for a couple seconds and turn that off. And just confirm that the sandpaper didn't shift at all with that little test. And if you have no overlaps, you're ready to start sanding. And that's an 80 grit I put on, one of my two most commonly used grits. I like 80 as well as 120. And the dust collection on that is just excellent. Despite all the fine dust coming off this machine, you never see any of it. Just with a standard 1.5 or 2 horse dust collector, you'll get excellent collection. And the finish on that looks really smooth after just 1 to 2 passes with that 80 grit. So key advantages to the drum sander, of course, are no tear out and no snipe. So if any worry about the maintenance or changing out the sandpaper roll is keeping you from popping on the Jet 1632, I wouldn't worry about it. It's a simple process and that dust collection is just top notch. So I would definitely recommend the 1632 drum sander.